Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can connect JBL TuneBeam with Android phone, and it's going to be super simple and easy. So first, take both out the JBL TuneBeam, and when you are going to do it and you're going to take them out, then what is going to happen is that they are going to look for pairing. So this is a sign they're looking for pairing. So let's go to settings, connections, then Bluetooth, and here on available devices you should be able to see that JBL TuneBeam, and then just like pair it. Now it's going to pair with your phone, and let's just wait here. Okay, save, and now we are going to go to the JBL headphone app. This is something that I highly recommend to download. I'll just lower the brightness so you can see it better, like this. Okay, now you want to go to Google Play and download this app. It's called JBL headphones, and when I'm going to open it, you will have it automatically like connected. And now what you're going to find here, you are going to find the left, the right, and the case battery life. So this is important. Then you can have ambient sound control, where you can have like noise cancelling on and off, ambient, and you can switch between also in the app. Then you are going to find also equalizer here. So first about the ambient sound, let me talk to you. So ambient sound is a use noise cancelling to block out ambient noise. Then you can have ambient aware to be aware of your surroundings, so you can switch between these. And then you're gonna have talk through to have a clear conversation. So this is something that you can switch, and you can use it also through earbuds. Then you're going to have equalizer here. And with the equalizer, you can have vocal, jazz, and these are like the pre-created for you. Or what you can do is you can click plus here and have your own equalizer. So this is something that you can also do. Now, when we go further, you are going to have the gestures here, and you can switch, as you can see, look at here. So what happens when you're going to tap? What happens when you're going to double tap? What happens when you're going to tap and hold? So you can configure the settings. Okay. I just got it here. Okay, here we go. And what you can do here is that you can customize it and change the volume control and playback voice assistant control. So this is something that you can do. Now you can have voice aware. Voice aware controls how much of your own voice you hear during calls. And then you can have smart audio video. So you can have audio mode and video mode. So if you're going to watch video, you can just press video mode. And then you're gonna have left-right sound balance, and if you want to, you can switch it to left sound. And then you're gonna have also the max volume limiter, where you can have the limit for the volume, find my buds, and that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you about how you can set up your JBL TuneBeam earbuds. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.